Alright, what's up guys? Finish up that workout driving to Wawa. My workout wasn't too bad. Alex and Kevin were definitely feeling it because they did the one chip challenge last night. It looks like the street.
The street. When I ate it, I like breathed in a little bit, and the dust just went like and hit my uvula.
So yeah, rip them, rip their stomachs. Christopher almost missed filming the workout because he was exercising the demons from his body. But we made it through, we survived. Now we're going to Wawa. Workout was pretty good, 3,200 and then a mile and then 800s. All right, what's up guys? We just got back from Five Below. We got some Disney Pixar minis. Got to do a quick unboxing. I'm saying it's 100% Mater. It's Mater, baby. Yeah. Maybe a baby Tarzan. One guess for a baby Tarzan.
It's sad.
It's sadness from inside out. It's Wally. It's the haul. Also got a coat. All right, it's like 6 o'clock right now. About to get a double in. 35 minutes. It's raining.
Welcome to the blue team. The blue team.
He's staring at my phone.
Treat yourself.
Got a quick lift, did some core. Go make a protein shake. I'm Pet Louie.